Hello friends, welcome to Creating Wealth. So today we will talk about a stock that is from food processing sector. So we will talk about that what is company business and what is the growth prospectus of the company, and as per according to growth prospects of the company, what will be the share target for long and short term basis. So let's start. So company name is Hindustan Foods Limited. So if we think about contract manufacturing business, so Hindustan Food is a best choice to invest for a long term, and it is a most diversified and versatile contract manufacturing company in the country, and its product range covers personal care, home care, food and beverage, and leather segments. And if we talk about its deeply, so company is manufacturing a product for most reputed clients and most reputed brands in India, as well as for outside of India. So let's have a look about it. So if we talk about the key developments, so key developments, recently key developments in Uttar Pradesh project. If we talk about the Uttar Pradesh projects, it is progressing well, and installation machines and has already commenced, and the company remains confident to start commercial production in Q4 FY 2020. So just last quarter of this session, so the commercial production has been will be start in Uttar Pradesh project. And next, further the announcement of setting up a health and wellness division. The board has authorized the management to invest 100 crore by way of acquisition and or setting up a new factory. So the board has also authorized the management to invest in acquisition of a color cosmetic manufacturing facility with a total investment of up to 30 crore. And the company has started working on setting up a new factory in Tamil Nadu, which will making sports shoes and knitted shoes for various customers. And their goal is that, so next 3 years they want to double the turnover of the company in and exploring both organic and inorganic opportunities. So if we talk about the key parameters, so company have 396 crore gross block, and its net worth is 247 as on 30 September, and total revenue is grow. Total revenue has been grow 77% year on year basis, and EBITDA year on year basis growth is 49%, and profitability after tax that is grow uh, it's a growth 79% year on year, and year on year EPS growth is 79%. So I think year on year growth, if we talk about year on year growth, so company is well positioned. And right now, if we talk about it business and performance, it is very sound performance and very good performance. If we talk about the capex update, so company have many capex for upcoming years, and in a food and beverage segment, if we talk about the capex, that is capex is 125 cr, and it belongs to food and beverage segment in Uttar Pradesh. So this capex is undertaken by wholly owned subsidiary Hindustan Food Consumer Limited, Private Limited. The land have already acquired and construction work has started. Machines have also started arriving at the site, and commercial production will be start from quarter 4 FY 2022. And the next capex is 150 crore in home and personal care segment at Hyderabad. So this also be expect completed by quarter 4 FY 2022. And new capex that is 130 crore in health and wellness and color cosmetics segment. So board has already authorized to invest 130 crore in this segment, and upcoming details and upcoming progress details will be shared in next quarter presentation. So they have this time, if we talk about the capex, and as per the capex, company have a growth potential to get a multi-bagger return from here. And it can be the trigger to go from here to something from here, just like a double in like 1 to 2 years time frame. So share will do very well in upcoming quarters and in upcoming years as per capex. So if we talk about the standalone result, so company has performed well, and if we talk about the message from managing director, so they are very well confident for company financial performance, and they have already said that company's performance was on track as per expectation, and they are saying that upcoming capex will be the growth trigger for the company in a nutshell. And if we talk about Hindustan food business, so the brand behind your brands, they are pioneered in FMCG contract manufacturing, product plus service. They have one-stop contract manufacturing solution and consistently deliver quality product. They are most diversified trusted FMCG contract manufacturer for domestic and international brands, and they have flexible business model suitable for any of customer and across product categories. They have 30-year experience, 11 sites, 3 million plus lives touched daily, 1,200 plus team members, and they have a wide range of and long experience they have. And if we talk about the company journey, so the 1983 to 1984, they have incorporated, and since 1983, company has doing very well in this segment, and its performance is very well sound. So its product portfolio in a food and beverage segment, you can see extruded cereals and snacks, hot and cold beverages, and energy drinks concentrates. And in home care segment, personal care segment, health and wellness, leather and native shoes, pest control. So most diversified contract manufacturing company in the country, and they have business models that how they can do it and how they will do it, and entire dedicated manufacturing. So the entire manufacturing facility to build a suit exclusively utilized for the principal company. So this model is one unit equal to one client plus one plus more brand or category. Anchor tenant manufacturing and shared manufacturing. It is one unit equal to one anchor plus few small clients plus multiple brands या products, private label manufacturing, your concept plus our expertise. So they have एक they have a all type of manufacturers and all types of brands and all types of client they can service for them. So if we talk about the long-term relationship with major FMCG clients, you can see here HUL, Reckitt, and Bata, Imami, Himalaya, Gewar, Godrej, Tata Consumer, PepsiCo, all are reputed brands, and they have a long-term relationship with these major FMCG brands. And a company have experienced management and entrepreneur. So if we talk about the chairman, Srinivas Dampo, third generation entrepreneur and chairman of Goa leading business house Dampo, and he received postgraduate management education in industrial administration from Carnegie Mellon University, USA. So very well, and sound management are attached with this company, and professional management team they have. And if we talk about the manufacturing facilities, you can see here Jammu Pest Control. It is belong to pest control manufacturing facility, and Jammu they have Jammu, Coimbatore, and Hyderabad, Silvassa, Pondicherry, Mumbai, Goa, Mysore. Future growth strategy. So company have evaluation of contract manufacturing phase 1 1980, small scale industry reservations, tax exemptions for SSI. If we talk about the if I talk about the phase 2 2000 area based reservation, and phase 3 present times GST, one country one market, and phase 4 the future global sourcing hub like pharma generics, explosion of small brands who do not want to invest in manufacturing facility. So it is a future of the company. So most product category in India are duopolies or oligopolies, unlike in the US, Europe, which has many more brands in each category. So India has a huge opportunity, and this industry has huge opportunity in India. If we talk about the FMCG market size, so it is a very huge market size, and it is belongs to person care, home, and personal care, health care, food and beverage. FMCG fourth largest sector in India. Outsourced manufacturing opportunities 50,000 crore to 1 lakh crore. So HFL is the most diversified and versatile contract manufacturing company in India, and HFL plan to add value by growing organically and inorganically through bolt-on acquisitions, which is the need of the hour in the contract manufacturing sector. Favorable demographics of India ensures incessant growth in FMCG, young and working population, rising nuclear families, urbanization, sustained rural growth. India is seeing huge headroom for FMCG growth. And if we talk about the FMCG per capita consumption, India has a low consumption if we compare other countries. So it is a penetrate market in body wash, hair conditioner, dishwash, washing liquids, body lotion, face wash, food drinks. So India have a huge headroom in for future growth in FMCG sector. So barriers of entry makes us even more competitive. Obviously, logistic and supply chain management, setting up new manufacturing plant is capital intensive. Stringent quality control of customers, skilled labor management, regulatory environment challenges, efficient allocation of resources of fuel growth, increasing competitiveness in the industry. So HFL has overcome all the barriers over the years, and HFL is the best place to capitalize on the growth story. So multiple levers of growth company have. So just like e-commerce, GST, Make in India, growing consumer demand, evolving regulatory environment, ease of doing business, increasing rural incomes. So it will be that growth trigger for this company, and building a sustainable future. So new factory have solar power plants installed overhead and rainwater harvesting. So it is good for factory, and have begun installing barricade boilers to replace the traditional coal-fired ones. So, so they are building a sustainable future factory. So it is good. So if we talk about the its presentation and its fundamentally, so company is very well and soundproof, fundamentally strong company, uh, and its business is very good. So we will talk about its some more fundamental. So it's EPS 21, and market cap is small cap, and it is face value is 10. If we talk about its track record, so we will talk about its track record of dividend. So they have not given any dividend till now. And if we talk about the bonus also they have not given. And if we talk about the revenue annually basis, so it is growing phase. And so and net profit is in growing phase. You can see here, and debt to equity, it is decreasing. And if we talk about the quarterly results, so revenue, if we talk about from March to September, it is not a growing phase, but it is remains sustained. And same net profit, it remains sustained. It is good for the company health, and obviously stock also. And if we talk about the EPS, it remains sustained. So if we talk about the shareholding pattern, so company have very well and shareholding pattern, and FII, DIA also have this companies here. And DII, if we talk about the DII, Sixth Sense India Opportunities and Westbridge also have these stocks, and these stake of the company. And if we talk about the shareholding pattern of promoters, it is unchanged. It sounds good. So here we can see the ROE. So ROE of the company is 16%, and they are decreasing the debt, so it is good. And they have new capex plan in upcoming year. So it will great for it. So friends, if you want to join, and if you want to grow with us, you can join our membership program, and it's just only 299 rupees per month. And you can call us, and you can mail us, and you can join through our Telegram channel. So our Telegram channel is Creating Wealth Premium. So it is good for you. So here we can see a technical analysis. So let's see it. So stock has performed very well after listing. So right now, stock is in consolidation form, and from February to November. So within a year, stock is in consolidation phase. Here is the base is 17, is on 1715. So you can buy on here with the 1715 stop loss for a long term basis. So if we talk about the target, so its target can be 33,000 to 3,500, 3,000 to 3,500, between 3,500 in within next 1 to 1.5 year. So if we talk about its target, 3,000 to 3,500 within 1 year to 1.5 year. Stock will perform very well from here after a capex, after a commence production in capex. So it will complete, and it will commencing from quarter 4 of FY22. So it will be the trigger for it, and it we can and you can invest in this company. And contract manufacturing business, I think it will grow more from here. So it's a sound good stock. So you can do your own analysis before buy and sell this stock. So if we like this video, you can please like it. And if you have any query related to this stock, you can comment also. So thank you for watching this video.